Up next on Mirror Mirror, how to take years off your look on your lunch break.
I looked what I looked like 10 years ago.
This innovative, non-invasive skin sculpting technique is taking the country by storm. Why many call Ultherapy the turkey neck lunchtime fix. Take the guesswork out of matching shades to your skin tone with self-adjusting cosmetics. Expert application tips that will save you time and money. From lunges to lunch in minutes. No sweat styling advice for a perfect post-workout look. Plus, no matter your age, instead of black, why not try honeysuckle, regatta, coral rose, or silver peony? How to pick your perfect color and make it pop. Hi, I'm Rebecca Spira. That and more coming up right now on Mirror Mirror. It's a technology that expectant mothers are all too familiar with, and now an ultrasound is being used to tighten and lift the face. Facial plastic surgeon Yalamanchili is one of a handful of doctors across the country performing Ultherapy.
Well, it uses ultrasound, and it's the same ultrasound technology that's been around for 40 years, same ultrasound you use on a pregnant mom. This is a snapshot of what we're looking at underneath the skin. But under here, really what you're seeing are these strands here, and that's actually the muscle in your neck, and that's the muscle that creates a sling in our neck. And as we get older, it gets a little bit looser. By delivering this ultrasound energy, you're creating a tightening of the muscle, and also, more importantly, you're stimulating your body to generate new collagen, which tightens and lifts and firms the skin. Edward came to me, and he was interested in just noticing he had just some mild heaviness of his eyebrow area. His cheeks, he felt, were just slightly starting to droop or sag a little bit, which is something that we see with time, obviously.
Right after I left, believe it or not, I actually went and had dinner.
In terms of downtime, well, that's the beauty of it. Because we're treating from inside the skin, meaning under the skin, and having that result work its way out, there really is very little to no downtime.
Within 12 hours, I saw incredible results.
Some results, like Edward's, are immediate.
But the reality is the real result does take several months to occur, because the collagen, which is what the lasting result comes from, takes about 3 to 4 months for your body to create.
I don't seem as tired. My eyes don't seem as droopy anymore. My cheeks seem to be a little bit more firm. My jawline, I forgot what my jawline looked like, and it looks that much better. And my neck, everything just looks better.
Victoria visited Dr. Yalamanchili just 4 weeks ago.
Victoria had some concerns with the heaviness of her eyebrows, and so she was interested in having that look a little bit more refreshed by elevating or lifting the brows a little bit, as well as the cheeks and the jowl area as well.
When we first started the procedure, it was quite sensitive on my neck, but with a little bit of time, it wasn't so uncomfortable.
It's a strange sort of a heat feeling, because it is heat that's being delivered. But the nice thing about it is, as soon as you're done with the treatment, which can last from 30 to 45 minutes, you're done.
The collagen building has just started. So if I look this good after 4 weeks, I'm going, really? I might look better than I did 10 years ago.
Most patients only need one treatment. 20 to 30% of people may require a second treatment.
The beauty of this technology is that it works on all skin types. The best candidates for Ultherapy are patients, men and women, who are just starting to notice some mild to moderate heaviness or sagging of the brow, some wrinkling around the eyelids, around the eyes, some sagging of the cheek area, of the neck. And these are people who aren't quite ready for surgery, or not interested in surgery perhaps.
But at 1/5 of the price of a surgical facelift, does this sound too good to be true?
It's the first energy-based device that was ever been FDA approved for an indication of tightening and lifting the facial structures. And to achieve that, you do need to have some real science behind it.
And for Edward and Victoria, the truth is in their faces.
It changes their face. They don't look the same. I looked what I looked like 10 years ago.
I didn't know I looked so bad before, but now that I look at myself in the mirror, I was like, hey, I remember that guy. I don't want to look 20, and I don't want to look 15, but I just want to look the best I can look for my age now.
And you do.
And I do.
For more, log on to livewellnetwork.com. Look as fabulous as you feel after your workouts with Mirror Mirror's no sweat styling tips. That's coming up next.